January 19th. I actually already did a live, so semi-live trade for this one right here, where I ended up with an 8-tick gain, which should have been a 15-tick gain. And then here, yeah, because I thought about the market. Okay, I already did a trade for that one. So I took these two trades. I think I took them both on the 5-minute time frame afterwards. This trade I entered in 9:45, or a little bit after this trade I entered. Oh, it's around 10:15. It's 11:05 right now. Okay. So with these trades, with this one, so after this one had kind of taken me out, even though for a positive gain, I was still expecting the market to be bearish. Still looking for a push down because that's how the day looks, and that's the way the market is pushing. Right, the market is pushing downwards. This is a pretty key level, but that's a different story. And with the market having the potential to make pushes all the way down to over here, or even all the way down to here, though this is a little probably too optimistic, especially considering it's a Friday. But back to the trade. Okay, so this first trade, market put in after the market kind of bounced up a little bit, because remember I was still going for a bearish direction. So after the market put in this bearish candle, I anticipated a strong move down, and my take profit was, I think I set my take profit all the way back down here, right? Because at 9:13 I put my stop just outside here, with the intention of taking profits all the way, I believe, back down to these levels again. But the market kind of made like a move back up and stopped me out for 9 ticks. Yeah, not completely unhappy with this trade. Second trade is better, but I actually still did not execute very well on the second trade. How doesn't this look as well? Okay, I did not execute as well on the second trade. So the reason is I understood that the market, it doesn't move immediately in one direction, just continuously moves only in that direction. It moves and then it's a little choppy. So and it makes retracements. So this was a solid retracement. Unfortunately, I think I was watching a show or something, a little bit busy, and really wasn't paying that much attention. Otherwise, after this candlestick here formed, I would have entered right here, and I would have set up a better risk reward, because I would have still been aiming for profits probably around here, just because that's how the market had been reacting. Or since I knew the market was pushing down even more, I would have gone back to where I wanted the market to hit for the day, pretty much. But I entered the trade on this candle, and not even very well on this candle. I think I entered kind of at the top. Might actually be better to see on here. Yes, it actually looks better on here. So I would have liked to enter the trade after this candle, so on here, but I actually entered the trade on this candle, and exited the trade on this candle right here. It would have been better if I had been able to enter here, these levels, and then at that point I could have either set my take profit to around here, which is what I did for this one, or no, not here, I'm sorry, I think I set it to here, yeah, or set a stronger take profit. Both of those would have worked. That would have been an excellent risk reward. 1 to 2, maybe, depending on how far I took it. 1 to 3. So those are the two trades I made. So 6-tick gain. This was basically a scalp. This one, well, I just got it wrong. Oh, so halfway through this, since due to how the market seemed to be putting in resistance here, I also, for the first trade, I moved my take profit up to 9 ticks from here. So I moved it to these levels because I was hoping another wick would come back down, but never did. So it hit me for that loss. Not a bad day, but actually, no, scratch that. I'm actually still very angry at this day overall. The reason is, really, it's my fault. on Euro USD, I should really be trying to look for, again, still extended targets, which means entering the market and having better entries. This was actually a great entry. And this wasn't necessarily, but for this entry, either I should have just accepted where my stop was, which was, I believe, here or so. I should have either accepted that is where my stop would be, or I should have, no, yeah. The moment after the market pushed up, yeah, I could have either, well, I could have stayed in it, but that's still not necessarily always the best. But I should have, even with that 8-tick loss or 8-tick gain, I should have looked for a proper push back up. Like, this is really the opportunity that I'm ticked off. I missed that I did not get a better entry here. That's what I think is really annoying me for the day. Because with a better entry there, I would have probably gotten about 11 or 12 tick gain here. And that's what I really needed. But this is taking too long. Okay.